So, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Irzan. I'm the CEO and co-founder of YesBoss, the first virtual personal assistant service in Indonesia, which can handle anything you want as long as it is legal. And now, I'm going to show you to unlock the potential of YesBoss to become conversation as a platform. So basically, we see in the western part of the world, start with the giants of the internet industry, with Google, Facebook, they're talking about the messaging, the future of messaging using chat commerce, creating next level of customer service, making it seamless to chat directly with the brands and businesses, so to make transaction, to make purchase, and as assistant, they go to the next level of artificial intelligence-based assistant. Well, the data speaks the same as well, since we see the MAU of the big four chat apps like WhatsApp, KakaoTalk, Line, and WeChat, they have surpassed the four biggest MAU of social network. But we see that this is the future of UI. Chat is the future of user interface. But what happened in Indonesia or in emerging markets? Indonesia, Instagram or BlackBerry Messenger shops are sprouting everywhere. People have used chat commerce or conversational commerce in a non-scalable way, in a very, very conventional way. Even one of the biggest leading fashion e-commerce websites sells stock, they reach 5-time conversion using chat. So chat is really the culture in our country, in emerging markets. Like I could guarantee, like each of us here in Indonesia could have like 4 to 5 chat apps in our phone. So that's why we built YesBoss, which have been running for the last 12 months as a virtual personal assistant service which aggregates any kind of existing service or e-commerce on demand here to save your time. For example, you can get your food delivery done, you can get your flight bookings, you can get any e-commerce business or booking hotel, taxi, the project ride, anything, it's possible through YesBoss. It's very, very simple via chat. One-stop shop aggregator for everything. But what's next after this? It's about scaling with technology. We believe in order to create this service to be scalable, we need a massive technology using artificial intelligence, using natural language processing, which we have been building for the last couple of months with 30 million data points, which is very, very strong, and our core technology here, very, very defensible, because nobody has been building this kind of service with very, very strong and then a very accurate data in terms of messages when it comes to requests, purchasing, and like get me something, buy me something, find me something. We all have the data and we have the right team to do so. But the good thing is, for example here, get me one flight ticket to from Jakarta to Bali, day after tomorrow after 3 p.m. So we can recognize your intent is to book a flight, your origin from Jakarta, Cengkareng, destination to Denpasar, Bali. When is your departure time is 16th of June, and when should be departure time? And we're targeting this year for creating 20 verticals of scalable, of automated service using NLP for Bahasa Indonesia. Why NLP? Why? Because higher conversion, it's personal. You can chat directly with your assistant. It feels like very seamless. It feels like there's a trust between you and the other person behind your phone who will fulfill your demand. Scalable with artificial intelligence with our engine. And the good part is we could build a SaaS platform for our commerce providers. So imagine you could chat KFC, you could chat McDonald's via Facebook Messenger, via Line, via any chat service, just to get their service as simple as via chat, no more via calls. Super simple and super convenient. This is the proof how we build it. So I will show you guys a demo later on after this presentation. So it proved that we can build with AI 6 times faster process, which means more efficient and more convenient for the user as well. So how it works actually? So as I told you guys, we have this YesBoss AI engine, and now we have this B2C product, which we have been running for the last 12 months with hundreds of thousands of users, with millions of requests. We gather data, we train them, and a part of that we get some commission fee from our merchants, with over 60 merchants we have right now. And then we have another business line called YesBoss Corporate, in order to improve the employee engagement and productivity per company, where we get the data as well and recurring revenue in a subscription model. And one last thing, our newest model is the SaaS platform, where we work together with Infomedia, part of Telkom Group, which handles over 100 clients which use call center business, and we facilitate them creating this chat center, so they could simply create a chat commerce channel to their audience, where they could simply chat, get their fulfilled demand, where we could get the data directly with a white label solution and recurring revenue as well. That way, we can make this YesBoss AI engine getting smarter and smarter in no time. So, how we make money out of it? First, with the B2C model, we get 220% commission per transaction from our merchants. It's the best retention tool, and then it's a very personalized approach, because we read the data, we read the behavior of the human, of our user, how they use our products. And then with B2B corporate service, we charge $4 per employee per month. Right now we have over 1,000 employees registered to YesBoss. Only in the last 1 month we just launched the service, but we haven't announced it yet, because we can increase the employee engagement, productivity, and provide the analytics dashboard for the employer to see the behavior, how their employee using their personal assistant. And a part of that, they could provide customized modules, such things like the employee onboarding, asking about SOPs, and like maybe some division, adding some modules like reminder for meetings for a team, etc., etc. And the good thing is, there's one person could be the GA for the HR secretary. They could access their system through any kind of channels, not only the chat, SMS, or via the app, but also with email and email and call. So to arrange the company outing, the company trip, or making some restaurant reservation for the whole company. And the last one is a B2B chat commerce white label. Here, the last that I just mentioned, we could charge like $4 until $15,000 per month, and it has been proven already. This just is a number, but it's a proven number, where we facilitate chat engine for call centers, multi-channels, and efficient, and obviously high ROI. So how we have been performing for the last 12 months, with over 1 million of requests, over 100,000 of users, and 300,000 of GMV, with growing 30% month over month. And we have also partnering with current B2B clients, with Infomedia, the largest contact center in Indonesia, Wonderful Indonesia, PNG, Lito, BNI, and then we get upcoming B2B clients like McDonald's, CGV Blitz, Garuda, KFC, Siambi, Niaga. It has been proven that we can execute this product, as now it's time to scale. It's proven already, and there's the right demand of the product. That way, we are very, very confident to see that this business has high margins and strong path to profitability by combining B2C model and B2B model we have here. So, how this kind of business is performing out there worldwide? In the US, there's Magic, one of the leading personal assistant service business from the US. They raised $12 million from Secure Capital, and then in India they get Help Chat Haptic. They also get their Series B round, and obviously in China, #1 app which is used by everyone there, WeChat, which is a chat commerce platform. They use WeChat as a one-stop shop service as well. So why it's not in Asia? It's one of the highest with mobile subscription penetration service number in Southeast Asia, and one of the highest ranking in the world. So it's time for us. Talking about the team, our core team basically consists of 4 co-founders, and we got a strong background in Germany. I was 8 years in Germany getting my computer science degree for my bachelor, and then I worked for 4 years. Once I was working at Rocket Internet, and prior to starting YesBoss, I was at Takeaway.com, being the head of web product. And our COO is a German guy. He was the head of design at Tokyo.com, or my colleague. The same for our CCO, Chief Customer Officer, and CMO Rainier. We know each other when we were in Germany. They got experience in Nasdaq, in Citibank, and I got also experience in working together with them, starting a couple of startups prior to YesBoss. Part of the co-founders, we got 2 of course, a strong team member as well, which is Rizky, our CTO, who is leading the technology team. He was the machine learning expert and a system architect at Airbus in Germany. And now, as well, we get Kaspar, our head of sales and partnerships. He got some working experience career in Germany and Indonesia in management, and he's a SaaS and B2B expert, which is helping our B2B business. One of the founders as well, of course, we are backed by prominent venture capitals like 500 Startups, MDI Ventures, Convergence Ventures, and IMJ IP. Where from MDI we established strategic synergies with Telkom Group. And also we had got advisors, Jim Giovedi, our technical advisors. He is an expert in AI, deep learning, NLP. People know him as internet security expert and satellite hacker if you Google him on Wikipedia. And we position ourselves as a service company. So we know that what we do is everyday serving. We treat our customer right. That's why we need a service advisor who has strong knowledge in the business. So yeah, join our journey to build the future of commerce and make people's of lives easier. So yeah, I can show you the demo now. This is the YesBoss app. It hasn't been launched yet. It's currently in private beta. I think it's I think something's wrong with the internet. Right, okay. So get me a ticket to Bali the day after tomorrow. And we get a response from the bot. It's kind of slow, I think, because of the internet here currently. Okay, it asked me where's the origin. I simply say JKT for Jakarta. It's abbreviated, but it understands. So one last question: how many person I would need to book? I'll simply say one person, also abbreviated, but it understands again. So there you go. Booking flight tickets has never been this easy and convenient. Simply say I would like to have this Airasia. What my assistant reply? Great. Since I have used YesBoss already, then it get my ID number and my date of birth. I just need to transfer the amount. That's it. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Irzan. Any questions for Irzan? Okay, hold on.
Hi. How do you think two questions actually.
Sure.
How you stack against like companies like Viv, like the Siri, team, who's integrating a lot of other apps because that's voice, right?
Yeah.
Then secondly, also like, are you already working with Facebook, the chat SDK already?
Soon enough.
Soon enough, right?
Yes.
So the first one, how you stack against?
Sure. The first one, how we stack against Viv. I mean, I have mentioned earlier that we are focusing on the regional markets, on emerging markets like in Indonesia, in the Philippines, and later on in Vietnam and Thailand. So we focused on the regional markets here, using your traditional language. You're using your own language here to utilize the next level of messaging. So that way we don't really compete with Viv, who is really strong with English, who is really strong in the western part of the world. So yeah, I think that's our positioning.
Okay, I saw one hand just now. Any questions? Additional questions?
Hi, thanks. How would you transfer from the bot to the call center, people at the call center? You mentioned you had a partnership with the Telkomsel call center. How would you fill in the gap that the bots cannot do to a person?
Yeah. So basically, the technology that we use is not completely AI. I mean, for some cases, for some verticals like the flights, it's purely AI. But what if, like, the customer asking for saying something randomly? We combine human and AI. We call it HAI, Human Assisted Artificial Intelligence. That way, we can set the confidence rate of the machine. If we are like putting like 90%, then we simply blasting all the bot service. But what if the bot cannot understand the human? I mean, cannot understand the comment, and it will pass to the human. So that way, we can craft a better user experience rather than keep saying, sorry, I don't know, sorry, I don't know. It's just not the right approach in our opinion. So in this case, we still need human touch as well, and human approach in order to gather data and to train the data.
Okay, any more questions?
Thank you for your presentation. It's a little bit related to the question just now. So you're saying that all the questions are screened through human eyes. Is that correct?
Yes.
And so your staff working in a facility will sort it, answer, this will be answered by AI, this will be answered by human, sorting everything. But do you have like a goal that like now it's 20% AI, but like in the future, this year, you want to make it like 30%, 40%, 50%? Do you have a number?
Yeah, so the goal is this year we could see like around 30 to 40% AI. In terms of this kind of request, I mean a straight request like getting a flight, booking a hotel, getting some transportation, and because mostly our users use YesBoss for everyday stuff like food delivery, getting movie tickets, and so on. So that's why I was mentioning like this year we're aiming to get 20 verticals for the AI.
Thank you very much.
Okay, I guess that's all the questions. Okay, thank you, Airasia.